Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, first and foremost, once and always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here telling you what to do with your money. I'm just here to show you the many wonderful things I've come across on the internet. And today, we're talking about Kalshi. This is a 100% CFTC approved trading platform. It's a perfectly regulated exchange. So this activity is trading. Now it's a wonderful little thing here. Now, we have a special promo for you. If you trade $25, you have a chance to earn up to $500. Now that promo code, you go to Kalshi, that is KALSHI.com/R/revolution. That link will be in the description. But let's talk about what exactly Kalshi lets you trade on. Kind of everything. All sorts of sports. Trending, various things. Politics, sports, culture, crypto, commodities, climate, economics, mentions, finance, tech, and science. All these things. Now, what I want to show you specifically is a little more of a deep dive on their mobile app. We've got a screen recording here we're going to take a look at. So they have that lovely logo, all elegant and all that. So you have the live page. You can make your first trade. Enter here on the portfolio. You can see I've made a $10 deposit back to the live. So you just scroll through your midterms, hubs. We got all that. You see what's mentions happening now. Everything we just showed on the website is also available on the mobile app there. Oh, and we noticed that my battery is running a little low, but never mind that. We got all that Ford earnings call, Ford total vehicles, U.S. sales in quarter three. What will Ford say during their next earnings call? You got all manner, any kind of question you could trade on. Now, this is the perpetuals we were talking about. Up or down, whether Bitcoin goes up or down, what Shiba's doing. You got your socials. All of that's going on. You got everything you could look for there, everything you want. And you can explore. If you're trying to figure out the best destination, you got all sorts of options you can scroll through. Oh, popular combos, baseball, basketball, soccer, or football. Either kind of football, depending on which side of the pond you are on. Club friendlies. There you go, you got that going on. Now, if you want to trade on something, you just click in there. So I have BTC price today at 11 a.m. EDT, and I'm aiming on. So I'm looking at Bitcoin being a little higher. Kalshi keeps the markets fair. Slide to buy. Oh yeah, I place my $10.